based here at Ltda. We've got a research laboratory and offices, and we've been here since 2006. The reason we've located here is we wanted to get into manufacturing of our technology, which is we've been working on for about 5-6 years, which is to do with a very fast way of testing for contaminated soil, instead of the normal chemical testing, which is slow, expensive, and doesn't always tell you what you need to know. We've developed technology, and we came to Ltda, and because of Ltda, we gained some additional things. There's people and companies here that spun out from the university, such as the Product Design Lab, who we were able to work with on our first project. We got a project with the SME Innovation. They funded to redesign our equipment to make it a bit more rugged, a bit more customer reliable. And we also have used student placement, sort of funded type assistance for marketing. Ltda itself has been very supportive. We've been on missions to France to introduce ourselves to other parts of the European market. And we've also done some network things through some of the senior people, Jackie Chandler, for instance, and Rob Moss have put us on to other people like that. The first project we did actually with the Product Design Lab was we'd built 4 basic prototype machines, and they were built by designers. They weren't built by manufacturers, so they weren't as rugged as they needed to be, and we had clients such as EDF Energy, who we were about to try and sell to. So we basically redesigned to make it stronger, much more appealing to customers, and we've been successful with it. We're currently selling this for quite a large amount of money. Eventually we give them away, because the consumable, as we developed it, and this was developed really by our scientists and engineers, and it's the extraction method, and it's a bit almost schoolboy chemistry. What we liked about Matt's approach, as part of the project, Matt turned that package into something that's very functional, much cheaper to produce, and ideal and trendy, and the customers like it. And so it's also smaller, it's easier to pack, ship, and the rest of it. So really what we gained out of the product was a much more appealing type of consumable to sell to the customers, and we sell this for quite a lot. There is very good market value. We had a young lady called Sophie Chitty, came on board for about 3.5 months, and she basically did a marketing type of review for us. We know one of the big market areas for the product is local authorities, planning departments, and even the chartered surveying type of sides of the local authorities. Sophie contacted just about everyone. She was a bit nervous when she started, but I'll be honest, she did a very thorough job. And 2 things came out of that. We got a lead that is now turning into a very big, important thing, and that was a consultant she spoke to is writing some of the new British standard for this type of technology, and they are now asking us to work with them on using our protocol as part of the British standard. So it's important, just that one link that she found has helped us very much, and most important. And that type of, you never anticipate that from someone who's going to work for you for 3 months. We were planning to offer her a job if she had wanted one with us, but I think she had to finish her degree, and then she went off, and she's working now for one of the government organisations. I think it's RAP. Doing very well. Good kid. Have another one like her any day of the week.